I can tell you that this is not one of the two bags that I was expecting. So where does this third mystery bag keep coming from? And then last but not least is, no friggin' way. But I'm absolutely terrified to spend money on something that I don't like. What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome back. If you like beauty, skincare, cooking, and someone who probably is going to drop something, you might be very interested in my channel. Thank you so much for being here with me. Please give this video a big thumbs up, ring that notification bell, and leave me a comment below because I love responding to you guys. Thank you so much for being here with me. Today we are doing my Ipsy unbagging. I don't know which one this is. I have 2 subscriptions. I didn't get any add-ons this month. If you are not familiar with Ipsy, Ipsy is a monthly subscription. You can cancel anytime. I think it's $12 US. It works out to about $21 Canadian with shipping. You get 5 sample to trial size items. Sometimes you'll get a full size item in there. Sometimes you get brushes. Sometimes it's skincare and sometimes it's makeup. I really like this this subscription because it gives me the opportunity to test different brands that I wouldn't always necessarily try for a very reduced price. So for me, it's always a win. I should have another bag, but I don't know where it is. So we're only gonna open this one today. So this month's bag, ooh, I like this. I haven't seen any spoilers for the bag. It's a holographic bag. That's really cool. Every month it comes with a bag as well. That's something I really do like. The first item is a brush. So this is a brush by MOTD, so Makeup of the Day maybe. It's the Pigment Packer brush. That's it right there. That looks really nice actually. It's pretty dense. I'll definitely put that to good use. They used to send the prices along, but they don't do that anymore, so darn it. But they do always send a card. This one, it says it's glow your own way. The Ipsy experience is all about making beauty true to you. Here's how to keep your monthly stash exciting and personalized every time. It gives you can review and rate your products on the Ipsy website for points that you can redeem later, etc., etc. And it always just kind of gives you some little tips. So I'm just gonna set that to the side and we're gonna finish opening up this bag. All right, so the first thing I'm pulling out is a Lush eyeshadow in Bloom by IBI Beauty. I really like IBI Beauty. I have their City Limits palette and I think it's just an amazing palette. The formula is really good. They blend really easily. Their shimmer shadows are really, really pretty. I'm really excited. I can tell you that this is not one of the 2 bags that I was expecting. So where does this third mystery bag keep coming from? So it comes like this. I love little teeny tiny eyeshadows. It doesn't even have a mirror, but that's okay. And this is it right here. We're gonna swatch it. That's it. Oh, that's really pretty. That is really peachy, kind of pinky. That would be a nice top, like as a shimmer shade, maybe a topper for your eyes. That's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got in here. We got the Moisture Boost Calming Algae Eye Serum from Tony Moly. So that's it right there. That looks nice. I always like eye creams because I hate buying eye cream. I don't know why. I think it's because they're so expensive and I'm absolutely terrified to spend money on something that I don't like. Don't get me started. I don't like that. All right. And then we also have, oh, this is cool. Confidence in Your Beauty Sleep. So this is a skin transforming pillow cream by It Cosmetics. I had the It Cosmetics, what cream was it? I got it in a boxy. So it does not have a safety seal. Thank God I didn't drop this one. That is full though. I'm just gonna set it here. I'm really excited. I love getting like little teeny tiny jars of cream like this. Sometimes last you a long time. So it's an overnight one. I will definitely put that to the use. You'll probably hear about it in an empties. And then last but not least is, no friggin' way. No way. No way. Where did this mystery bag come from? Is this what I think it is? I'm so excited right now. I am so happy that this came. I love surprise mysteries. This is a full-size Ofra. And it is a blush. And I don't have a blush from Ofra. And oh my gosh, I've always wanted this one. This is the one in the shade Bellini. That's it right there. Oh, yes. That is not as pigmented as I expected. It's very light. but that is okay because I am not always going to have such tan skin. So that's it right there. You can see that's really pretty. This is a full-size product. I am so stinking excited right now. Yes, I did not know this was going to be in there. Okay, so this is not the bag, one of the 2 bags that I paid for. So I secretly have a third Ipsy bag almost every month, and I can't figure out how I'm paying for it. I'm like, what account does it even come out of? I don't know. So, well, I'm pretty excited about it. I got a full-size blush from Ofra, an eyeshadow from IBI Beauty, and I really do like their brand. This Moisture Boost eye cream, this brush, and the cream that I can't find the lid to. Surprise, surprise. All right. I'm still dropping stuff. It's just not a good day for me, I guess. So I'm going to put all the products back into this little teeny tiny bag. I love my Ipsy bags. I have a whole big bag full of Ipsy bags. I use these for everything. I just stick stuff in them, and then sometimes this is just like my purse. I like this one though. It's pretty. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I will leave my link for Ipsy linked in the description box. I don't make any money, but I do believe I could get points or something if you do sign up through me. Feel free to, and feel free not to. I am not offended either way, but I'm just so excited that you guys came to hang out with me today. So thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now. Dropping things. What I do. Oh my gosh, I lost the lid. It's over there somewhere. I don't know where it went. Okay.